Hello guys and welcome back to another video tutorial on Editor channel. On today's video, I'll be designing a stunning overboard using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. As you can see this, if I place my mouse on each box right here, it will be displaying, changing the glowing color. If I place my mouse on a spot here, so the color will show glowing. And remember, if I remove the mouse, everything just look back normal. So as you can see this, it looks great, perfect and beautiful. And if you wish to design this, just keep watching this video from the beginning to the end, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to see our new uploaded video. Alright guys, let's go straight to the what's it called, the shining expert. So I'm just gonna open my folder. So here are my files. I have my index.html. Here is my script.js. Here is my style.css. So I'm just gonna open all this on my Visual Studio Code, and you can make use of any code of your choice. Like, it's all right. Here's my estimated file. I've already created this right here. So here's the document type, which is HTML, and here's the um our HTML, and I'm gonna close it down here. So here is the head. So in between the head, they have the meta chart set. So I have the meta so the name equals to the view part, and the what's it called, the content. So, and I have the links to my CSS. So here's the style.css. So the relative style sheet. So here's my CSS. Here's the link to that connect the HTML along to the what's it called, the spreadsheet. So here's the title for this particular word. I'll be displaying on top of the browser. So let me just add the name of my channel to that. So that will be edit tech channel. So that will be edit tech. So I have my body. So here in between the body, so everything that will be displaying on the browser, so we'll be in between. So open my body and close the body right here. And if you can see this, you can see the script dot src equals to the script.js. So that's the link to my JavaScript. So this connect the HTML with the JavaScript. So here's the div, and div was closed right here with the class container, and the ID is container. That is all we need on the HTML to accomplish this beautiful glowing design. So let's go straight to our tool, what's it called, the styling, to make the HTML look beautiful and to accomplish our what we wish to design for. So I have my box sizing on the board, which will be border box. So the body from the HTML. So here's the body, this body. So we're gonna style that. So the body, the background, that will be this. So the display will be flex. So the align item, so that will be center. So the justify item, that will be center as well. So the height will be 100 VH. So the overflow will be hidden and the margin will be 0. So that's the to make the background of our work look perfect and beautiful. So we have the container. So here is the container. So as you can still remember, so here's our container, and we have another ID with the container. So we're gonna start this container. So display will be flexy. and the align item will be center. So the justify will be what's it called? The content. Justify content will be center. The flex wrap will be wrapped, and the magnet width that will be 400 pixel. So we're just gonna create this the what's it called, the square. So since the square, so the background color that will be this, so the box shadow along around it, so that will be 002 pixel with this color black. So the height will be 16 pixel, the width will be 16 pixel, and the margin will be 2 pixels. So the transcript that will be 2 seconds else. So this square over, so the transcript transcription duration that will be 0 seconds. So that's all the code for the styling of this beautiful work. So let's go straight to the JavaScript. So let me just quickly explain that as well. So we have this const container equals to the document get by ID in container. So this line retrieve the HTML element with the ID of the container and assign it to the container variable. So this element is likely a container in which the color square will be placed. You understand? So the second one, which is the cost color with this that old or this color right here. So it is an array of a color code is defined. So this color will be used to change the background color of the square on the mouse over. So whenever I place the mouse on those squared box on the screen, it will be changing all the colors. So we have the const squared equals to 500. So this constant defines the number of the square that will be created and added to the container. So that is for that. And we have what's it called, for, I'm just going to explain everything right here together. So we have from. So let me say loop is used to create an um, append square append square to container. So inside the loop, a new div element is created using the document create element in bracket div, which is this, and the squared class is added to each squad using the class list dot added squad, which is this. So the event listener are attached to each squared, which should be mouse over this. So whenever when the mouse over a squared, it trigger the set color function. So mouse out, which is this, when the mouse leave the square, it trigger the remove color function. So each square is appended to the container using the container dot appends child square. So that's about this. So let me just explain this function. Sorry. Alright, let me just explain this. You know, this function, just gonna explain that. So this function is let me say um responsible for the changing of the color of the square when it's over the oval. So it is used to get the random color function to set the random color for the color array. So it set a squared background style property to the selected color. So it adds a box shadow effect with the same color to create the soft visual effect which the mouse over the square. So that's the set of colors. So here's the remover color. So this remover color in bracket element, the function revert the squared color and box shadow. So to their default value when the mouse leaves the squared. So it set the squared background. So style property to the tag color. So it removed the box shadow by setting its default value. So that's that for this function remover. So we have the get random color. So which is the function select the random color from the color array. It generates the random index within the what's called within the array and return the color at the index. So that's the work for this function get the random. So let me see this could create the what's it called the create of color squad in a container when the user over the mouse over the square it changed the color. So let's check it out. So when the user move the mouse over the square it change the color and display the box shadow effect. So creating an interactive color, can you say interactive colorful visual effect. So when the mouse leaves, when I take my mouse out of the squad, it will revert it to the original color and remove the box shadow. So it looks perfect, great and beautiful. So if you wish to design this on your own, keep watching this video from the beginning to the end and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like and comment. You can feel free to ask me any question in the comment section and don't forget to click on the